Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve one of my favorite game, the Brainvita. Basically there are 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I am going to start from the bottom square. Now I'm done with the first square. Now I'm going to solve the 2 side squares. They both follow the same pattern. Now I'm done with these 2 squares. This one is a bit different from the others, so I will do it a bit slow for you. Finally, I have finished solving the Brainvita and I got one in the center. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.